proper stingray, that is. Going over there, aren't they? There must be another side to it.
Yeah, there must be another side. I think there is.
Yeah. So I told you there's real sharks.
Yeah.
Look. And here we are on Gaz Attenborough. We are floating beneath the water. Look at that, guys. We're just chilling out with the sharks on the Gaz Attenborough shore. Look at this one. There he goes, closest I've ever been to sharks. And it will be.
Closest I want to get to a shark.
Yeah. Look at them. Amazing. Go on, sharks. Imagine if you fell in there by accident. Be like ringing the dinner bell going, it's dinner time, guys. Oh yeah, that turtle there.
Yeah, but it's not real, it's not moving. I think it might be just
A prop.
yeah.
Yeah, it's just this, look at this thing.
Wow.
Whatever that is. It's got an edge trimmer on the end of its face. Got all the privets down with that. And trees. Using its chainsaw.
I've never seen a sea life centre so big.
That shark coming towards her, look. Do 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 do. It's like a dogfish or something, is it? Fresher shark. Oh yes, look at that shot. We've got the money shot there, guys. Look at that. Check it out. Look at him in the shadows. Oh, come on, look at that. Nearly missed that. Get a closeness of it on that one.